Kaizen Sensei coming here to talk to you about pre-assessment, discovery, and strategic plan. The first thing that you want to do whenever you visit a customer is to go through a pre-assessment, which is to determine the current state of the company. You review the history, the culture, the processes, try to capture as much facts and data as you can, if you can get like spreadsheets and all of that good stuff. Any documents like quality systems, management manuals, operations manual, SOPs. If you want, you can review the financials, the balance sheet, P&L, and cash flow. And above all, once you get over there, spend some time for Genchi Genbutsu, which means to go to the place, take a walk, and personally observe what you see, and then weigh it against the information that you get through the history, culture, and processes, okay? Determine the current state. The next thing is to go through discovery, which basically means look for the problem statements. Ask, what are your pain points? And what do you feel is something that you can take care of right now? Because if you do, it provides the greatest benefit for your company. So you need to ask what have been done so far to alleviate the pain points and these problem statements. What were the successes? What were the failures? And then finally, the strategic plan. And it's basically divided into three areas, which is part of something called Hoshin Kanri. What you want to do is you want to determine what the long-term plan is, the mid-term plan is, the 12-month plan, okay? And at the end, you want to try to at least set some sort of a goal to chase after, such as we want to make $5 million at the end of 5 years. And what you do is that you reverse engineer from your goals, okay? This is what we would call the ideal state versus the current state, gotcha, okay? And so what you do, then you set up a mission. It could be one or two, and below that, you set up an objective statement, and below that objective statement requires tasks, and below the tasks are projects. So you can see, we call it cascading the work breakdown structure, in which the mission statement is followed by the objective statements, by a series of tasks, by a series of projects. I realize that it's complicated. Sometimes you don't need to go through all of this intricate detail, but it's just an idea on how you can attack a company's problem statements and to provide them with value. Thank you for listening and watching. If you have any questions, or if you would like to, yeah, that's right. If you have any questions that you want me to answer, feel free to like, comment, and share. And I'd love to answer whenever I have the time. And thank you for listening once again and watching. Kaizen Sensei signing off.